Look at that shine. Oh. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. I asked you guys on the community tab, how should I do a PR? I have been getting PR over the last few months and obviously hadn't had a chance to open them up. So I asked you guys, do you want shorts? Do you want one long form video? And overwhelmingly, you guys said that you wanted one long form video featuring some of my favorite products that I got through PR. So I did open all these up. Kind of took a peek inside some of them I haven't opened at all, like this one I haven't opened at all. I haven't opened that. I just kind of, if it was a different brand or a brand that I love, or just thought that it was something interesting, or I looked through them and said, oh, this will be good to show because it shows variety in some of the products that these brands offer. That is what I have for you here today. So I'm just gonna start grabbing some. So the first one is from Briogeo. You guys know that I love Briogeo. I've been a fan of Briogeo for many, many years. Their Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask is one of my all-time favorite products for my hair. And they sent me their Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Sleek Stick. They started selling this exclusively at Sephora on June 22nd. And there it is, sleek in seconds. Our smooth, glidable styling stick tames frizz and flyaways with a clean blend of highly conditioning ingredients for a sleek, glossy finish. Meet the secret to a quick slick. Blocks out frizz in 80% humidity and locks in your look with 24-hour hold. I sure could have used this while I was in New Orleans and 30A over August. There was so much humidity, my hair was so big. I washed it this morning and I'm letting it air dry. But yeah, you guys probably know more than anyone that I need this, because you'll see in a lot of my videos, I constantly have a bunch of little baby hairs and flyaways. I actually almost bought one of these sticks on Amazon, but I'm so glad that I held off because now I have this one from Briogeo, one of my favorite brands. It's a twist cap. And that is what it looks like. You know what? I'm sure I have little baby hairs and flyaways. Ooh, see how easy that glides on? Look at that shine. Oh. Before I destroy the box, let me just show it to you. This is from Kiehl, a fruity treat for your lips and cheeks. And each color here is associated with a fruit. This is why my nails are constantly breaking. This looked very cute at one point, I'm sure, but it's been stored for so long. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Dewy Bar, Dewy Cheek and Lip Multi Balm. Formulated with real fruit extracts, and so one is berry sparkler, strawberry sorbet, peach cobbler, fig smoothie, cranberry cooler, and grapefruit gelato. And this is what they look like. So cute. I am a sucker for Kiehl packaging. I mean, just look at how cute these are. So cute. Okay, so you'll notice that I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I just have foundation on and I use a bronzer. I can't remember which one I use, but I did this so that I could try some of these on. So which one should I try on? Let's see. I'm gonna use this one. It's like a little mauve-y. Whenever in doubt, go mauve. That's my philosophy anyway. This one is the Fig Smoothie Dewy Bar, made with heart and soul. I mean, just the cutest packaging. Just gonna use my phone because I forgot to bring a mirror. Let's blend. Very pretty. So as you can see, it's very blendable. Leaves you with a really nice finish. Oh, I like that. I got some stuff from Pixie. So I had a lot of stuff from Pixie actually. I have probably separated half of them because I'm going to put them in a future giveaway. Let me just show you a little bit of what they sent me. So here's one box from Pixie. And it is their Hydra Lip Treat. Revel in the subtle sheen of color and lavish your lips in moisture. Each shade is pixie perfect, a touch of effortless beauty. Here we have the Hyaluronic Acid Lip Balm. This is an avocado oil replenishing tinted lip balm in the color Rosette. And then this is a shea butter smoothing tinted lip balm in the color Poppy. Poppy is like a really bright orangey red. I'm not a fan of that color on me. That's just my personal preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the Rosette Tinted Lip Balm. Ooh, this has, it's a little like mentholy. So there we go. Very nice. The next one is also from Pixie. This is their Rose Tonic. It is soothing, hydrating, and nutrient rich. Then we have the Rose Radiance Perfector, a rosy lotion to blur and brighten. And then we have the Glowy Lip Oil. This is lightweight, nourishing, with a dewy finish. So we just put the lip balm on, but I'm gonna apply this Glowy Lip Oil, and it's minty, it says here. First of all, super cute packaging as always with Pixie. Oh, it's a roller ball. Love that. Okay. That's nice. That's nice to just carry around in your purse. I like that. Okay, then we have this from It Cosmetics. Very cute. And then, oh yes. Okay, they sent me Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream and Anti-Aging Hydration Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Plus. And they sent it to me in neutral medium and neutral tan. I'm actually wearing it today. This, I believe, is medium. I don't think I have neutral medium or neutral tan. Definitely gonna try this out and see if it's a nice match for me. And then they also sent me a brush, which I really am thankful for because It Cosmetics makes really, really great brushes. I used the airbrush brush to apply my foundation today. This one is dual-ended. It's the number 7, Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection. It's the all-over brush on one end and then the concealer brush on the other end. Now let's open this one from Urban Decay. Oh, yes. This is their face bond. I don't know if you guys have tried it. If you haven't, I definitely recommend you pick this up. I have been loving Face Bond. It's an incredible foundation. It is self-setting. It feels velvety on the skin. It's a liquid, but it just kind of dries into like almost like a powdery finish. Really, really like this. Really, really great foundation. Up to 24-hour foundation, waterproof, medium to buildable, can't feel coverage. It also has serum, which improves your skin texture, clinically tested. It has 3% niacinamide, and then it's also a setting powder, self-setting, natural matte finish. And then they sent me 2 of the face bonds, plus an all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This one has vitamin C and cactus flower all-day wear, a hydrating version of their, iconic all-nighter setting spray. Very excited to try this. The next box I'm going to open is from L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane. I think in almost every holiday Sephora sale, I buy L'Occitane products because they make such great gifts. Whether it's for a relative, a friend, a co-worker, they have these really adorable holiday packages that are such really great gifts. So I'm a huge fan of them, and their products are excellent. Before filming this, I actually put on one of their hand creams because they're incredible. All right, so let's open this up. How cute, how pretty. L'Occitane is all about the province that we love, a land full of mystery where beauty is endlessly reinvented. And then it says, to Jessica, with love from Provence. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. A journey awaits you. Embark on a voyage of the senses with beauty inspired by the natural wonders of the south of France. Our iconic body and skincare are crafted in partnership with local producers to deliver you the best formulas from seed to skin. Yes! So, they have sent me their hand cream. This is the dry hand cream that I just used before filming. This is so good. I'm in New York City. It's a germy place, so I use a lot of hand sanitizer and my hands can get very dry. So this works. It works wonderfully. It smells amazing. It leaves a nice finish. It doesn't leave you feeling oily, but it does work great for dry hands. Thank you, L'Occitane. Then we have their famous almond shower oil. Then we have this. This is their Immortelle Divine, their Immortelle Super Extract, a Radiance Youth Oil. The packaging, look at that. Then we have their Immortelle Divine Youth Cream. This says it helps with wrinkles, firmness, and density. So pretty. Ah, pretty, and I'm excited to use this. Sounds like someone told L'Occitane that I'm about to hit 40. Okay, then we have this from Kiehl's. This is intriguing. We've got drawers. So in the first drawer, what is this? Oh! Ditch the filter, get even with auto tone, peel to reveal your glow. Oh. Well, that didn't work out quite as nicely as I hoped, but it's a LED mirror. So there's a little cord here so I can charge it. Oh, this is coming in handy. Oh, this is gonna come in super handy. I could have used this at the beginning of this video. All right, first I'm gonna peel this off correctly and then I'm gonna use it. Let's see what's in the second drawer. Auto Tone 2-in-1 Solution. This is their discoloration and UV solution sunscreen with SPF 30. Oh, I should have opened these up a lot sooner because I really could have started using this during the summer, but better late than never. I can still use this. I do have some discoloration that happens because of blemishes. So, and listen, SPF, you should always wear SPF regardless of the season. And this is an SPF 30, so it's not super high up there. So it's actually perfect for now because during summer, if I'm going to be out in the sun, you definitely want to use a nice high SPF. But this is really good for everyday use. And last but not least, I have this big box from Briogeo. I already opened up one big box. I did it on my Instagram. It's on my Instagram beauty highlights if you want to see it. Briogeo just has the best products and I'm so happy that they have started sending me stuff. I'm so appreciative that all of these brands have sent me stuff. And let me be clear, it's all because of you guys watching and tuning in and liking and subscribing and following. I really appreciate it, and this is all because of you guys. So anyway, let's open up this box from Briogeo. It says here, meet the style and treat clean styling collection. Try the cleaner way to play with your hair, free from aerosol, silicones, drying alcohols, animal waxes, petroleum, plum oil to moisturize, yuzu extract to protect, super B complex to strengthen. Wow. Soft Power Air Dry Cream. I need this right now. My hair is literally air drying right now because I just washed my hair a couple of hours ago, but my hair, I have so much hair. It's so thick and I just have so much of it that it takes a while to air dry. So I'm going to use that right now. All right, let me just start pulling out. Oh, so cute. All right, let me leave it standing up because it is such a cute box. You guys. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just pull out this. This is the Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. So I'm going to use this right now. This is perfect for when you're air drying your hair. Apply a small amount evenly to damp hair from mid-length to end. Twist or scrunch to enhance natural texture. Very cool. Then we have the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu Plum Oil Full Miracle Styling Foam. Then we have the Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu Plum Oil Lightwork Sculpting Cream. And then last but not least, we have another one of their Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Sleek Sticks. But in addition to the sleek stick, it came with this cute little case for it. Because I have two, I can keep one at home, and then this one, I could stick it in this little case. And then it's a little charm that I can take with me wherever I go. You know, bag charms are super in right now, and not only will you have a cute bag charm hanging off your bag, but it'll be useful because you have your little style stick. So if you have little flyaways or baby hairs throughout the day, you can just slick them back with this. And it has a cute little lemon charm on it. So cute, adorable. By the way, if you are new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I'm a lifestyle creator. I do a lot of beauty, skincare, and makeup content. If you're a big fan of those, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications on for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. I'm gonna put on that cream right now. I washed my hair and I was just thinking, I wish I had one of these little air drying creams because I don't have any at the moment. I was gonna go on Sephora and start looking, but now I don't have to. Take my rings off. And yeah, my hair's still a little damp, so this worked out perfectly. And then I have my sleek. Look at this. It's still nice and sleek from when I used it in the beginning of the video. And then it's not back here. Do I have any flyaways? Yeah. See all those flyaways? Little baby hairs? Didn't use the stick on that side. That's what happens. But here, perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all of the brands that have sent me PR. I really, really appreciate it. But again, this is all due to you guys for following, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. Let me know what was your favorite product in today's video. Let me know if you want me to do a dedicated video, a dedicated review or tutorial with any of these products. Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi because you guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.